Untitled. I work for Care Medical, a division of Chart Industries. Let's talk about the features and benefits of the FreeStyle Portable Oxygen Concentrator. The FreeStyle is a very lightweight, wearable portable oxygen concentrator that weighs 4.4 pounds. That weight includes an internal lithium-ion battery that powers the battery when you're away from power. The FreeStyle has 3 different modalities for powering the device. You can power it with the internal battery or AC power supply by plugging into a wall outlet, or you can also plug it into the DC adapter or the cigarette lighter in your vehicle. Anytime that the FreeStyle is plugged into a power supply, AC or DC, it will charge the battery simultaneously while it's in use. Starting from the bottom of the FreeStyle, the first thing we'd like to point out is there is just a little bit of maintenance that is required by the patient. There is a gross particulate filter that essentially filters out any dust particles in the room air that is captured on this filter. This should be maintained once a week by washing it out with warm, soapy water, rinsing the filter out completely, and then getting as much of the water out of the filter as possible. My recommendation is to place it onto a paper towel and just simply pat the filter dry. You can then place it back into the holder and then put it back into place right on the front. Directly up from the gross particulate filter, you will see an area where you can connect your oxygen tubing. Again, the FreeStyle Portable Oxygen Concentrator uses what we call ultrasense technology, which is extremely sensitive, again, allowing the patient to use up to 25 feet of supply tubing. A nice benefit if you, again, want to set the device down and have the ability to move around without carrying the FreeStyle with you. Directly above that, you will find the control panel. The control panel of the FreeStyle has several buttons. One button will tell you what the current condition of the battery, internal battery is of the FreeStyle, giving you an idea as to how much time you have remaining on the internal battery. And then there are also 3 different flow settings that will tell you or allow you to select the flow rate that your oxygen provider has established for you. By turning the FreeStyle around, you'll see some labeling that indicates that the FreeStyle does have FAA approval for use on board aircraft. And in addition, it's important to note that every FreeStyle includes a serial number. The serial number is important information to have available. In the event that service is required, you can contact your current oxygen provider, provide them with that number, and they can give you information regarding warranty coverage. All FreeStyle portable oxygen concentrators that are received in are shipped to you in what we consider sleep mode. Essentially what we do when we leave the factory after testing is we disconnect the cables on the battery, which allows the battery to have a longer shelf life. It is very easy to remove or take the FreeStyle battery out of sleep mode by simply attaching the AC power supply connector to the FreeStyle and plugging it into a wall outlet. With your AC power supply connected and the green light illuminated on the top of the universal power supply, you can now connect your AC power supply into the side of the FreeStyle by carefully aligning the button at the very top and sliding the universal power supply right into the side. In doing so, you're going to notice that all of the battery lights are now illuminated and your FreeStyle is now ready to operate and out of sleep mode. To demonstrate the charging of the FreeStyle Portable Oxygen Concentrator, you can see that there are a series of lights located on the control panel at the top of your FreeStyle Portable Concentrator. Anytime that the FreeStyle is plugged into either AC or DC power outlets, it will charge the battery, and this will happen simultaneously while it's in use. Currently in this demonstration, you can see that the battery is approximately 75% charged and the 100% light at the top of the scale is blinking. Upon full charge, all lights will remain lit for a few minutes after the charging is complete, and then the lights will go out. Once the lights are out, your battery is fully charged and the FreeStyle is ready to be used on internal battery. To operate the FreeStyle Portable Oxygen Concentrator, you would select a button that has been chosen by your physician. As you can see, there are 3 different flow settings available on the FreeStyle 3 Portable Oxygen Concentrator. If your prescription is a setting of 2, you would simply press button number 2 to start the FreeStyle. You now can see that there is a light illuminated directly above the 2 position. When you are using the FreeStyle and the device delivers a pulse of oxygen, that green light will blink, letting you know that the device has delivered a pulse of oxygen. When you are done using your FreeStyle, you can simply press the button once again to shut the device off. If you are interested in obtaining a FreeStyle Portable Oxygen Concentrator, you can do so by contacting your current oxygen supplier or calling the 800 number located directly on this video. My name is Don Seidel. I work for Care Medical, a division of Chart Industries, and I appreciate your time in reviewing the video on the proper use of the FreeStyle 3 Portable Oxygen Concentrator.